A very good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here with very important topic, that is nervous system. So before starting with the nervous system, let's recall the basic terminology which is linked with the topic. That is the smallest unit of our body is cell, and cells combine to form an tissue, and all the tissues combine to form an organ, and different organs combine to form an organ system. So in this way different organ systems are formed, like digestive system which is related with our digestion, respiratory system which is related with our respiration process, and nervous system which is related to our brain, and the circulatory system which is related with our heart and circulation of blood, and excretory system which is related with the excretion of the waste product. So in this way all the systems are very important for the proper functioning of our body. So today we are going to discuss about the nervous system. A nervous system is the system which is mainly comprises of three main components, that is brain, spinal cord and nerves. So what the nervous system do? It control our all the body parts and our sense organs. It receive the message from the brain and send it to all the different parts of the body. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, brain. As you all know that brain is the main important part of our nervous system. Brain is comprises of mainly three parts, that is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. What is the function of a brain? Function of brain is to receive the message from different parts of the body and to give order to different parts of the body. So brain is a walnut-like structure. It is pinkish grey in color. So let's study its part one by one. First part, that is cerebrum. Cerebrum is the biggest part of our brain. It is also known as center of intelligence because it controls all the sense organs. You know all about sense organs like our eye, ear, nose, skin, tongue. So all these are sense organs. So all these are controlled by this part of the brain, that is cerebrum. It is the biggest part of the brain. It is also known as center of intelligence. Yes. So next part is cerebellum. It is an egg-like structure and it is small part, but it is playing a very important role in our nervous system. So it balances our body and muscles. It controls all type of muscles in our body and it makes balance of our body. And next part is medulla oblongata. You can see this part, it is called medulla oblongata, or it is also known as brain stem, right? So what is its function? Its function is to control the involuntary action of the body. So as we have studied in our previous chapter, involuntary action. Involuntary actions are those actions which are not under our control, like beating of heart, like heartbeat and breathing process. All these are controlled by the medulla oblongata. So medulla oblongata, it is connected with our spinal cord. So let's study the next part, that is spinal cord. As you can see this red portion, this is the spinal cord, and this spinal cord is protected by the, you can see this is your spine and vertebral column. All these vertebral columns protect our spinal cord. Spinal cord is connected with the skull and the brain and different parts of the body. In between the spinal cord, there is spinal nerves. With the help of spinal nerves, our brain send message and receive message from different part of the body. So this is our spinal cord, which is playing a very important role in our nervous system. So next we are having nerves. So what are nerves? So as I have told you here, nerves. Nerves are connected with each part of the body so that it can receive message from the different part of the body and it can send message from the different part of the body to brain. So mainly nerve, you can see here this picture, this is the neuron, or you can see nerve cell. This is a single nerve cell. So nerves are comprises of millions of nerve cells. So like nerve cells having two parts, that is cytosol and axon. So it receives the message from the brain and send message to the brain. So let's study nerves. We are having different types of nerves. Like first, that is sensory nerve, or you can call it afferent nerves. What is its role? Its role is different parts of the body. So third, we are having mixed nerve, in which both type of nerve can be present. Mixed type of nerves, it carry messages from the brain and bring order. So it carries message from the brain, means it carries order from the brain and send it to different parts of the body. So I hope these three type of nerves are clear to you: sensory nerve, motor nerve, and afferent nerve. Every nerve have its different functions. So all these are playing very important role in our body. So let's have a quick recap of the topic, that is nervous system. A nervous system is comprises of mainly three parts, that is brain, spinal cord and nerves. So brain is mainly comprises of three parts: cerebrum, which is the biggest part of the brain, and egg-like structure, that is cerebellum, and the third small part, that is medulla oblongata. Cerebrum is also known as center of intelligence because it controls all the sense organs, and cerebrum, it helps to upright your posture and maintain the muscular balance within the body. And the third, medulla oblongata, which control our all involuntary actions. So medulla oblongata, it never get tired. It always work when we are sleeping, right? So next, spinal cord. As I told you, spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column. It take messages from the brain and send it to different parts of the body, and again collect messages from different part of the body and send it to brain. So next, as I told you, nerves are single nerve is comprises of mainly two parts, that is cytone and axon. And nerves are of three types, like sensory nerves, which are also known as afferent nerve, motor nerve, which is known as efferent nerve, and the mixed nerve. Every nerve has its own function. Like sensory nerve, it controls the sense organ. Afferent nerve, it carry messages from brain to different part of the body, and the mixed nerve, which carry messages from the brain and order from the brain. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.